दोस्तों, आज हम आए हुए हैं चनानी ग्रीन ग्रोवर नर्सरी, चिक्का तिरुपति मेन रोड पे। ये नया नर्सरी खुला है और यहाँ पे हम आए हुए हैं और देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे आज आज है 3 जून ऑफ 2024 और आज देखेंगे यहाँ पे क्या क्या प्राइसेस हैं डिफरेंट फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स के और डिफरेंट फ्रूट प्लांट के क्या क्या प्राइसेस हैं एंड यहाँ पे कितनी वैरायटी है। तो चलिए चलते हैं इस नर्सरी में, जनानी ग्रीन ग्रोवर नर्सरी, चिक्का तिरुपति मेन रोड, बेंगलोर। ये है जनानी ग्रीन ग्रोवर नर्सरी और इसका लोकेशन है चिक्का तिरुपति मेन रोड, नियर इंडियन पेट्रोल बंक, बागूर, अनुगोंडनहल्ली होबली, होसकोटे तालुक, बेंगलोर। तो चलिए शुरू से स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो ये देखिए, यहाँ पे ये मनी प्लांट लगा हुआ है। आई थिंक इट इज़ कॉस्टिंग अराउंड 50 और 100 रुपीज़, 50 रुपीज़ आई थिंक दिस डेकोरेटिव प्लांट। देन दिस इज़ नेरियम फ्लावर। ये है, इसका कॉस्ट है 50 रुपीज़। ये देखिए 50 नेरियम। यस, अब चलिए देखते हैं आगे क्या है। ये नेरियम है, नेरियम। वाह, और ये देखिए डिफरेंट ये फ्लावर, नेरियम की वैरायटी। और उसके बाद ये है एक और डेकोरेटिव प्लांट और ये है फिर नेरियम, 50 रुपीज़ ईच। और फ्लावर की वैरायटी। अब अंदर चल के देखते हैं। और इसके बाद ये लगा हुआ है बोगनविलिया। देखिए, बोगनविलिया का पेड़ है। यहाँ पे पिंक, रेड और वाइट सभी बोगनविलिया है। अब उसके बाद यहाँ पे कलरमा का ये पेड़ है, 300 रुपीज़ का। दिस इज़ कलरमा एंड दिस इज़ बोगनविलिया। और उसके बाद देखिए, और उसके बाद ये है गल्पिनी, येलो वाला फ्लावर है गल्पिनी 60 रुपीज़। और उसके बाद MLA पेंटास, ये MLA पेंटास है और इसका प्राइस है देखिए, MLA पेंटास 40 रुपीज़। अब उसके बाद ये है एक और फ्लावरिंग प्लांट, इनकी प्राइस है 300 रुपीज़। ये है कलरमा। देन बोगनविलिया, बोगनविलिया। अब उसके बाद यहाँ पे हिबिस्कस, वाइट हिबिस्कस है। अब उसके बाद इधर है रेड हिबिस्कस है। और उसके बाद है इधर देखिए, ये है पिंक हिबिस्कस। और हिबिस्कस का रेट है 80 रुपीज़। ये नॉर्मल वैरायटी है ना, हिबिस्कस। अब उसके बाद ये है, हाँ, इसका नाम है कामिनी डेरी 280 रुपीज़। कामिनी डेरी 280 रुपीज़। ये देखिए कामिनी डेरी 280 रुपीज़। वाओ, कामिनी डेरी। Then this plant, this also comes under blue Kamini dairy, I guess. No, this is Nicodia. This is 250 rupees. This is Nicodia, 250 rupees. Wow. And I think this is Lantana Camara, right? Okay. Lantana, yeah. Wow. And this is Lantana. I think this is 30 rupees. I think this is wheat variety, but it is being sold as a this thing. This is a Lantana. All are Lantana, 30 rupees each. Then this is another flowering plant, and the cost is yes. The cost is not mentioned over here. This is spider lily, I guess. Spider lily. Yeah, as you can see, this is spider lily. Then these are small flowers. Yeah, very nice looking flowers. Yes. See, spider flowers. Sir, what is the cost of this one, sir? 50 rupees each for all small plants. 50 rupees. Yeah. Then we have a rose. See the rose variety. Rose variety. Then this is a Mitha neem. Yeah, I guess this is Mitha neem, right? Yeah, this is Mitha neem. Wow. Then this is a Tulsi, and this is lemongrass. Lemongrass is also available here, and this is Tulsi. Then yeah, and these are all different flowering plants. Yeah. Then this is Yucca Epop, 50 rupees each. These are all 50 rupees each. Wow. Yucca Epop, 50 rupees each. And I think this is Jatsofa or something. Yeah. Tulsi is there, and this is there. Then this is rosemary. Rosemary is available for 50 rupees. And Kanakambra 40 rupees. Then 100. And these are all for 100 rupees. 100. Then this is Mayuri. Can you see this Mayuri? Mayuri is 100 rupees. Yeah. 100 rupees. These are all Mayuris. Okay. Then the jasmine. Jasmine is 100 rupees. See, jasmine is 100 rupees. Wow, jasmine means मोंगरा. मोंगरा बहुत ही अच्छा खुशबू आ रहा है. 100 rupees each plant. All are मोंगरा. All is मोंगरा. और उसके बाद देखते हैं ये क्या प्लांट है भाई. Wow, this is blue flowers. I don't know what is this flower. Yeah, this is blue daisy. Blue daisy. Blue daisy, 100 rupees. 100 rupees. There is no scent in it, but it looks good. Yeah. Okay. Then this is a rose flower. Sir, ಎಷ್ಟು ये कितने का? 100? Yeah. So this is a rose. This is all rose flower. I think maybe coledoposite. This is 50 rupees. All 50 rupees. Okay. And this is a red rose. Then also we have a orange rose, light pink rose. Then other roses are there. Lots of other roses. Wow. Then Uni Excura, 50 rupees. Then Excura Singapore, 250 rupees. Excura Singapore. Yeah, then this is a hybrid variety of hibiscus. One plant for 100 rupees, I guess. Yeah. See? What a nice flower. Yeah. Yes. Wow. Yellow is also there. Wow. ये हो गया. उसके बाद इसका रेट क्या लिखा हुआ है? बेगोनिया क्रीपर 330 rupees. This is begonia creeper 330 rupees. And this is high hibiscus 200 rupees. High hibiscus 200 rupees. Wow. Let's move ahead. This is bougainvillea again. कागज के फूल. Yes. And this is a creeper again. Panda flower. And see what a beautiful flower here. Can you see this? Wow. This is a rose. My God. Beautiful rose. Well. Yes. These are all rose flower. Then you have again jasmine. Okay, 100 rupees. Then again bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is 200 rupees. These are all bougainvilleas. Yeah. Yeah. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea, all bougainvillea. White, pink, orange. All bougainvillea 100 rupees. Then bleeding heart. See the bleeding heart. Bleeding heart is 250 rupees. This is bleeding heart. 250 rupees. Bougainvillea variegated 200 rupees. 200 rupees. Bougainvillea variegated 200 rupees. Yeah. It has got pink variety. Then a Genie Farm 180 rupees. 180 rupees. Genie Farm. Then Bougainvillea multicolor 250 rupees. 250 rupees. Bougainvillea multicolor. Wow. Then the roses are 100 rupees. 100 rupees roses. See, all the roses are there. Different kind of roses are there. All these are 100 rupees. Then this is, you have a Christmas tree. Christmas tree, champaka tree. Yeah. Then this is, wow, nice flower. Yeah. Then this is bougainvillea again. Erica palm. Erica palm. So all this is China doll. China doll. This is 950 rupees. And Toja gold, 350 rupees. Yeah. Then Tachyoma, 450 rupees. This Tachyoma. Okay, all this. Yeah. These are all falling plants we have. Let's move ahead. What else is available? Golden Milelaka, 260 rupees. See, golden Milelaka. Golden Milelaka. 260 rupees. Christmas tree, 320 rupees. Christmas tree, 320 rupees. These are all Christmas tree available for 320 rupees. Then Sampinge white, 260 rupees. Sportidia is 150 rupees. Sportidia is 150 rupees. Then Sampege gold. Sampege gold, 280 rupees. Sampege gold, 280 rupees. Wow. Then Golden Cypress. Golden Cypress, 300 rupees. This Golden Cypress, all Golden Cypress for 300 rupees each. Then a pencil. Pencil is for 280 rupees. It goes like a pencil. Oh my god. See? It's going like a pencil. Then a Golden Cypress. Again, this is a bigger one for 550 rupees. Okay? Yeah. Then Janthan Sama for 1000 rupees. This is Janthan Sama. Janthan Sama for 1000 rupees. This is a green Janthan Sama. Okay? Yeah. So let's move ahead. Wow, this is nice yellow flower. What is the name? I think this is Erica palm. No, what is this? Yeah, this is Felicium. Felicium, 280 rupees. Felicium, 280 rupees. 280 rupees. Then Gaudi Chaudi. Gaudi Chaudi. Gaudi Chaudi, 100 rupees. So this yellow one is Gaudi Chaudi. 100 rupees. Okay, Gaudi Chaudi. And what is this? Hey, this is looking like a Baracia. Baracia, 480 rupees. This is Baracia. Baracia, 480 rupees. This is Baracia. And this is Ashoka small. Ashoka tree, small tree. Ashoka is a 180 rupees. Yeah, this is Ashoka tree, 180 rupees. Then Ashoka tree little bigger, it is 350 rupees. So it is got bigger in height. Yeah. Then yeah, 50 rupees Ashoka tree. Yeah. Then Termentalia green. Termentalia green, 260 rupees. So this is Termentalia green, 260 rupees. And this is a Champa plumeria tree. Yeah. So plumeria, this is 2400. Oh my god, this is 2400. Yeah, but this is very bright color, red or pinkish red. This is 2400. Wow. Okay, and then we have different other varieties also, with a white one, white plumeria. Then you have a, this is pink plumeria. Then here some other plumeria. Yeah, this one variety we have. Then what we have is it's kind of a, yeah, this is looking like a decorative plant, looking like a banana tree. Yeah, let's go. My god, this is why so many plants are there. So many plants are there. Nice. Christmas tree. Wow. This is Termentelia white. This is Termentelia white. Wow, this is this. Then this is Ujneya Dori. Ujneya Dori 320 rupees. Ujneya Dori 320 rupees. Then a Buddha bamboo. Buddha bamboo 550 rupees. Buddha bamboo 550 rupees. Then Ujneya dwarf. Ujneya dwarf 800 rupees. 800 rupees Ujneya dwarf variety. Then what else? Yeah, then we have some other decorative plants over here, but the price is not mentioned. Yeah, this is bamboo. Wow, Buddha bamboo for 550 rupees. So this is how the Buddha bamboo looks, for 550 each. Okay. Then a coconut is 380 rupees. Coconut is 380 rupees. Okay, so we have lots of coconut. Then this plant, I don't know what is his name. Yeah, this plant is also there. This plant is there. This plant is there. These are all coconuts. Then FOC style is there. If you can see, FOC style for 450 rupees. So this is FOC style. Okay. Wow, this is chin ka ped. We call it chin ka ped. They are selling it. Okay. Corn corpus 120 rupees. Corn corpus 120 rupees. Okay. Yeah. Hey, you have bargat ka ped also. See, bargat ka ped. Wow. Then this is royal form or 530 rupees. Royal form variety. And then this is 1350 rupees. This is bottle form, I guess. Royal form, this is 1350 rupees. Wow. And 130 rupees. This is ball bottle form, I guess. Royal form variety of the bottle form. Yeah. Yeah, let's see how it looks. Then we have the mitti and compost also. They are also selling this. Wow, nice. Then we have other varieties. This one, what is the name of this variety? Sondriyana and Song of India. This is Song of India. This is Sundriyana, 70 rupees, and this is 150 rupees. Very good. Song of India. This is Song of India. Song of India. Then this is Ardia. Ardia 150 rupees. Yeah, 150 rupees Ardia. Ardia 150 rupees. Wow, nice. Alpinia Purpurea 250 rupees. Alpinia Purpurea 250 rupees. Then Consulata Jade. Wow, this is a nice variety. Then we have some other varieties. Can we keep over here? Then we have a Moringa variety. Then this. Then we have a fern for 100 rupees. For 400 rupees. Then we have other fern trees for 150 rupees. This is another kind of fern. Then we have crotons for 100 rupees. This is crotons for 100 rupees each. 100 rupee croton. Wow. Wow. Then we have a Syngonium for 120 rupees. These are all Syngoniums for 120 rupees. Syngonium for 120 rupees. Then this is table form. And this is table form. Yeah, this is table form for 150 rupees. Table form for 150 rupees. Okay. Then this is a pan leaf for 100 rupees. See, these are all pan leaf for 100 rupees. And Pichodia for 800 rupees. Pichodia. These are all Pichodia for 800. Wow. Then we have this flowering plant. Wow. What is the name of this, man? These are all crotons. Then this is Erica palm. Erica palm 250 rupees. Erica palm 250. Erica palm for 250 rupees. Okay. Then Alcacia for 320 rupees. Alcacia. These are Alcacia for 320 rupees. Then what is this? Then this is Elconia dwarf for 450 rupees. Elconia dwarf for 450 rupees. Then a Calacatia green, 850 rupees. Then Calacatia red for 1200 rupees. See, this is Calacatia red, green, Calacatia green. Oh man. Wow, nice. Such a huge variety. Then King Farm. See, King Farm 450 rupees. This is King Farm for 450 rupees. Then we have let's go inside. Then again Kentia Farm for 450 rupees. Kentia Farm for 450 rupees. Then Calathea Green for 480 rupees. Calathea Green for 480 rupees. Wow. Wow, nice. And this is crotons. Wow. Hey. And this is, wow. See the quantity they have. Then this is Pandanus 35 rupees only. This is Pandanus 35 rupees only. Pandanus. Okay. Yeah. Then we have a banana. This is long banana, as told by the Nandish, the owner. Then this is a lemon, or lemon tree. See the lemon. Can you see the lemon? Yeah. Lemon. Then these are jackfruits. I purchased one from this one. Jackfruit. Then these are see, these are all jam, we call it. Then we have this one. Then we have a Musambi, I guess. This is Musambi, and this again a jackfruit. Okay. Badami 160. This is long lemon. As it open like this, long lemon 220. This jackfruit gumless 320. Wow. Then we have again this varieties. Palm. Then this. Amla small 180 rupees. Breadfruit 180 rupees. Jackfruit pink 340 rupees. Okay, gumless. Then butterfruit 300. Kiwi fruit 580. Okay, this is how the kiwi fruit looks like, huh? Okay, kiwi fruit looks like this. Okay, we have this silver yucca 550. Silver yucca 550. This is silver yucca 550. Then Pioneer Farm from 280 rupees. This is Phoenix Farm 280 rupees. This is Colorma 350. This is Colorma 350. This is Colorma 350 rupees. Okay. Then we have I think sapota here, jamun here, Then mango also here. Yeah, wow. Then this is a, I don't know which one. This is a jam, and this is a अंजीर हो गया. Then green apple 260. Then tamarind sweet 290. This is 290. Wow. Taiwan Goa 220. Guava variety of Taiwan Goa 220. Then jamun white 320. Wow. Lakshman Phal 320. This is Lakshman Phal. Cherry. Then a blueberry. Cherry 180. Blueberry 440. Shimla apple 340. Taiwan berry apple 260. Anar 230. Mulberry 280. Sapota banana 460. Then orange 280. This is orange. Wow. Then we have black guava 330. See, black guava 330. Then Mosambik 280. Wow. And then lychee is 330. Then what is this? Chakrota red 320. Star fruit 320. Then water apple red 220. Water apple 220 red. And sweet orange 320. Wow, my god, what a variety. Wow. So this is the one. So yeah, so again this is mehendi plant. Then this is brat lily 50 rupees. This is brat lily. Boat lily 50 rupees. Okay. Wow. Then again canna 20 rupees. 30 rupees I guess. Yeah. Then ribbon grass. This is ribbon grass 40 rupees. This is Song of India 50 rupees. Song of India. Okay. Yes. This is Almanda 30 rupees. This is Almanda 30 rupees. Eclipa red 45. Saplera for 50 rupees. Proton. This Christmas tree is for 1,500. Yeah. Then this is Jatropa for 50 rupees. Then pandanus for 60 rupees. Then fountain grass for 35 rupees. fountain grass, and this is ribbon grass for 30 rupees. And this is black lily for 40 rupees. And this is lotus for 800 rupees. Lotus.
आपका दा
Blue daisy. Then we have succulents for 150 rupees. 150 rupees. Then this lucky bamboo with a ball, 350 rupees. This is for 350 rupees. This is lucky bamboo for 950 rupees. This is succulent for 220. Yeah. Then we have this pebbles also available. Yeah, these are stones, right? These are all available, and the prices are here. Like pebbles 30 rupees kg, color pebbles 50 rupees, cocoa peat 200 rupees for 10 kg bag, soil mix for 150 rupees for 30 kg bag, and vermicompost 25 kg bag, 450 kg bag 720. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And this is 1050 plumeria, I guess. And this all decorative plants along with their pricing 850 rupees along with this pot. Madam, these are along with the pot, right? These are along with the pot, right? No. Suppose 1050, I will get this along with the pot, right? ये पार्ट के साथ मिलेगा ना?
हाँ, ये वाला पार्ट का साथ मिलेगा.
हाँ, ओके. Pot के साथ है रेट. Then along with this pot, this is 2100, right? 2100. This one. Wow, 2400. Wow. And again this is pentas. Then insufficient plant. Then begonia 160 rupees. Colis 100 rupees. Geranium 100 rupees. Okay. Then hydrangea 200. Then this. Then again, wow. Then what is this? This price is Swati Phelan, 250 rupees. This is Swati Phelan for 250 rupees. Swati Phelan big leaf 150 rupees, this one. Okay. Then begonia milk white 280 rupees. Then this is Birkin 260 rupees. Wow. Then Oxidion monostick. Then this is Oxidion monostick 520. Wow. Let's see. My god. Then a snake plant for 350 rupees. Then this is a rubber plant for 250 rupees. Londonum variegated 550. Then Anthurium leaf 320. Wow, Anthurium leaf for 320. And these are rubber plant. Wow, nice. Then this you have with decoration hanging plant 200 rupees each. 200 rupees. Then GG green. Then this is GG green, 250 rupees. Philodendron red China, 350. Philodendron molly, 420. 420, yeah. Philodendron molly, 420. Yeah. Then we have a Philodendron Valendri, 250 rupees. Wow. 250 rupees. Then Mahatma 60 rupees. Mahatma 60 rupees. 60 rupees. Oh, Mahatma baby doll. This is Mahatma baby doll. See, Mahatma baby doll is 60 rupees. Wow, Mahatma baby doll. Then what is this? Yeah, these are all you can see. Nice looking. Wow. And what is this? Sansevieria parva snake for 280 rupees. Then Sansevieria green snake, 230 rupees. Sansevieria snake plant, 280 rupees. Then bird nest fur, 550 rupees. Bird nest fur. Then Dracaena gold, 380 rupees. Then Sansevieria trifesta snake, 180 rupees. Yeah. Yes. Then this is Ficus microcarpa, 220. Then this is money plant, 120 rupees. Okay, money plant 120 rupees. Then Peperomia green, 100. Peperomia variegated, 130 rupees. Then this is Maranta, 150 rupees. Then Sergi Sunny Blades for 200 rupees. Then Fern Tree Frog, 150 rupees. Wow. Then Pillow Gold. All those plants are there, money plants, 120 each. Yeah. Then we have vermicompost also. Then we have this planters. So this big planter is for 1250. 1250. Okay. Yeah. Then they have other big planters like this. Then this rectangular planter is 460. This is 520. And this is 280. Then this is 340. And this is 860. Wow. 860. 130. Different planters are there, 450 rupees each. All are these 450 rupees each. Then we have plates also, bottom plates also here. And we have instruments for gardening over here also. All those instruments of gardening and we have a rose mix, another plant protector. This thing is there, yeah. All type of planters are there with different prices. This is made up of iron. This is a plastic body, and different planters are here. Yeah, right. Wow, nice. Yeah, all these planters are there. Then also we have planters made up of ceramics. You can just have a look, and all the pricing are listed over here. It's impossible to tell me all the prices at one go. मैं सभी के prices नहीं बता सकता, पर ठीक है, ये इतने सारे हैं. वाह, नाइस, एक से बढ़कर एक. Yeah, so this is all in my video. Hope you like this video. All the gardening needs material are available here.